How to remove account from Microsoft Authenticator app. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to remove your account from the Microsoft Authenticator app. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Microsoft.com and then just log in your Microsoft account. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to your profile at the top right corner right here and then just click on my Microsoft account. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So once you're here, what you want to do is just go to security right here. And then once you're at security, what you want to do is go to advanced security options and then just click on get started. And then after that, what you want to do now is go to send sign in notification right here. And then from here, what you want to do is just click on remove. And then again, it will pop up that this one right here, it will pop up that remove Microsoft Authenticator app. Are you sure you want to remove the Microsoft Authenticator app? Removing this method means that you will not be able to use it for sign in or verification. So once you are sure on removing the Microsoft Authenticator app, just click on remove and then you are done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to remove your account from the Microsoft Authenticator app.